my name is Shannon from sisforteachers.org. Thanks so much for joining us for our virtual math series. Today we're going to be talking about a numeracy game that you can use in your house. This is a great game for students in pre-K all the way up really to third grade. It features our deck of Deco Dots that you can find on our website on sisforteachers.org in our store. We'll actually have a link here that you can click on to get it. We're also offering free shipping. We'd love to be able to have you order this game early on and while our schools are closed, because it'll provide lots of numeracy games that you can go to on our website and watch tutorials. In the video that you're going to watch after this, it's going to talk to you about a game called Deco Dot Duel, featuring our favorite friend Dotson, who's on my shirt, doing a lot of skills with subitizing. And so the idea of this is it's differentiated for your students that you'll see in the video and the setup video that we'll probably put in the link here for you, that there's 3 different colors of the deck. So there is a red, yellow, and green level that you can use depending on the age of your child. In this game, it's really working on getting kids to tell us how many without counting. That's really the definition of subitizing, which helps students to understand conservation to a number without always counting 1 to 1. If your child is playing this game and counting the dots on the Deco Dots, we want you to go to an easier level in the Deco Dots. So it's really important to check out how Deco Dots is leveled from one of the videos that you can click on, and then also watching the tutorial video on how to play Deco Dot Duel. If you absolutely cannot get Deco Dots, just grab a regular deck of cards that you might have. You also can just cut out dot cards that you can find on our website and play this same game. The game Deco Dots also has a challenge game to make it a little bit harder. Instead of just flipping 1 card, you get to flip 2 cards. So check out this tutorial video to see how you can get your kids in your house to kind of play this game and have a little bit of a competition with it. We hope that you're a part of our Facebook group, which is at facebook.com/groups SIS for students. On here, we'd love it for you to post pictures of you playing Deco Dots with your family and tell us who's winning and what different activity or ideas that you've been using at your house while you're doing some school from home. Thanks so much for joining us.